the preparation I am hoping to do for you is cauliflower in tomato sauce. So for that, first thing what I am going to do is, I have taken water and I am just using the cauliflower in it to boil it. We'll boil the cauliflower first. It should be nicely boiled and it's in big large pieces, so it will be nice to take this cauliflower and put a little salt and boil it. Now that cauliflower has come to boil, take off heat and we will put that in cold water. Quickly put that in cold water. Right. Now what I am going to do is, I will put this cauliflower in the pan. I need a little butter and oil as usual. Oil till that gets cooked. I will take this out of the cold water. Now that the butter has melted, oil is ready. Slowly, one by one, we will put that. Just stir fry this a little. While stir frying, I could use shredded onions, boiled minced meat, all that we will add and we will stir fry. When it gets stir fried, we add the tomato paste with water, a cup of water. Mix it well. I added only salt so far, so we will mix all these other ingredients such as a little bit of pepper, turmeric, chili pieces. All this gets nicely mixed up. This has to get nicely mixed, so we will add a little more water into this. Right, now this is ready. Before I take off, we will add a little bit of sugar, a teaspoon of sugar. That's all. The dish is ready. We can serve it. We'll see with what we can serve. Now see, this is ready, I told you. We will dish it out to see how it comes. Along with that, I need olives to be used. Hot, we put the olives and have it with that. With what will we serve? That's the main thing. We can serve with rice, you can have it with pasta, we can have it anything that you like, or the rotis, whatever you want, you can have it. So try it out and see how it comes, because this is cauliflower with sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.